Pillow pad?
Willow pad, like a scrubber pot.
Scrubber, okay. Scrubber pot. I don't know what you say in English.
To scrub a pot with.
Jack it up.
Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, guys. I'm not even down yet, but I was playing with my little man. I'm playing with my little man, guys. I'm playing with my I'm playing with my little bug. Hi, little bug. Hiya, buggy bug. Buggy bug. Anyway, guys, good morning. I'm waiting for my husband to get out from the shower that I can pee. And also, I'm chatting to lovely mom, Amora. Ako dili pa mi vlog sis work manggo. I'm going downstairs. It's already 7:18 and I still have to eat some breakfast before dropping his mother to dialysis. Good morning. Good morning. Tommy just left the house to pick up his brother-in-law. I'm gonna do vacuum vlog, so I'm dragging the vacuum. This vacuum is a pain in the neck to, his brother-in-law to the doctor, and I'm not going because there's a lot need to be done in here. Doing the vacuum, put the garbage out to the curb for tomorrow, clean the cat litter before we go upstairs, and yeah, so crazy. Yeah, I like this color, guys. I love it. We got this from Models. This one. The lipstick that I'm wearing right now is the color, the Revlon color something. It's a Revlon color burst. Yeah, and in the shade of 05005 Crush Biguin something. Nakalimutan ko pala. I forgot that I have bells to write. Bell only here. Now I'm wearing my glasses again, guys. Hudson. Bells doesn't need to be forgotten because it is very important that you have to pay your bills. Or else they will cut off your freaking your phone. Well, they don't cut your off in electric. They will charge you extra charge for late fees, and which is $25 every month if you forgot that month. So Tommy is not here yet. I'm gonna miss these dogs. I told Tommy I probably bring them to the house, but I was debating about that, and because if I have my dog over there, I have something to do over there, and then I can't do anything when the dog is around because all they do is crying. Ito yun, guys. Ito yung dadalhin namin. Ito. Badan. Yun. Itong gamit ko. At saka ito. I don't know if this will fit, but we'll try. I don't know if we can bring this. This is really old, guys. A lampshade. For table lampshade. But it's really old. Need to be cleaning. This is antique. And it's really nice. When you clean that up, it's perfect. This is a real, not diamond. How do you call that, guys? Hi, Crystal. This is a real crystal. And but I threw the old thing over here, the cover, because it's old. We're gonna buy the different one, and this one need cleaning. And yeah, so the same with this one here. This one is very old. Look, it's really falling apart. It's not my style. It's old style. But this one is a nice piece. Clean that up, we're good. So this is you know, when you clean that up, it's gonna be so shiny. What you see right now, this one right here, the shiny part, and this part, when you clean this up, it's gonna be look like shiny. This is marble. Oh, Tommy is still in the. Tommy is supposedly on the way home here, but the brother-in-law called him because he said he's done. So then I guess he's done. Hi, hello, my baby. Hubs, how are you, Hubs? How are you, little boy? Hi, Dimpler. Bye, guys. Bye, Delilah. Bye, Delilah. Hey, you guys behave. Look at that. Dimples, what are you doing to your sister, brother? So now you're the pin in the neck. Hey, don't bite him. Dimples, you're biting him. Dimples, huh? I see that you bit him on the leg. Oh, bad. Are you hurt, baby girl boy? Are you hurt, baby boy? Are you hurt? That's why. Are you hurt, baby boy? Happy boy? Right here. Because we're not gonna be here, and I don't want my kids to be hungry. This one, I really like this chandelier. It's dirty right now, but when you clean it up, it's very nice. I don't know if my mother-in-law will take that. You know, it's a nice one. I mean, it's looking ugly right now. It's looking like ugly because it's so dirty. But if you clean that crystal thing, if you clean the crystal, it's gonna be so shiny and sparkly. I'm gonna ask her that if she will, that we can put that probably in the living room, or we can put that probably in my filming room. We end up leaving late because there's a lot of stuff already in the car. Oh my goodness. So yeah. We're gonna pick up some dog food, and then I don't know, may pick up his mother too. Why it's kind of hot here now. We still have time. She called always like that. So, yeah, did you close the door over there? He's shaking his head. I thought somebody's cutting the ground over here, the street, but they left. Where's my phone, hon?
I don't know. When you told Andy to call you on it, you left it in the car?
Can you? Oh my god, I have to go back. No.
You left it with my dog food?
Now I have to look my phone, guys. I don't even know where's my phone. So now it's crazy. I left it in. Oh no, I left it in the car. Let's see if my sister-in-law called us.
there.
Yeah. Oh, she called.
Is she?
Yeah.
Tell her we'll go.
My sister-in-law just called me.
Hello.
I'm sorry, I left my phone in the car. We're gonna get her.
No, I'm on the road, so I'll just get her.
On the road
I'm
where?
on Lincoln Avenue,
Oh, she's in Lincoln now. Okay.
Okay.
so I'll just pick her up. And
Okay.
maybe we'll see you guys back at the house. I don't know.
Okay, I'll see you then.
Alright, bye.
Okay, bye. Okay guys, we're almost home. We just stopped by here to get gas, so that's why I can't even vlog. I can't vlog when I'm driving. I have to shut that thing because it's really hot. Tommy turned the heater on. It's really hot. This is the thing about driving. I've been trying to just get my camera on, to get my in my pocket because I put it right here, and I can't. I've been trying, but the sun is killing me. It's like so bright that my sunglasses is in the back of the car. And so anyway guys, I will see you home. Look what he's doing right now, guys. Macarena, Macarena, Macarena. Macaroons, macaroons, macaroons. Time check, it's 3:57 in the afternoon. We came out late in the house because my sister-in-law went in there, and we kind of spending time a little bit, not long, but we did, because you know, and then because we have to pick up some, you know, dog and cat food. So anyway guys, let's go. Huh? Hi guys, we're here, but look at all the file need to clean up. Boxes more over here. So we just got in and we just done putting all the stuff inside the house, and yeah, and it's freezing in here. Huh?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
No, that one is special for something.
I know, but there should be one more of these.
I don't know, huh? Yeah.
Let's leave this one out.
Dishwasher.
Coffee cup though.
Huh?
There should be one more coffee cup.
Oh, because no, it's more over here because there is over where something over there is not open. No, look, this one is.
No, that's something else. It should be in one of these sets. This is the last set.
Oh, it's right here. Oh, what is this? No.
That's simple.
So we're gonna try heavy load in the dishwasher, guys. This is done, right?
That's all you can sit in there.
Yeah. This one is having a problem. Look, did you see the difference? When you push this, the other one is stay over here. Oh, look, and the other one is careful because
Force it out.
previous owner, I guess. Time check, guys, 4:34 in the afternoon. We're gonna go still to Walmart. And yeah, there's more. It's not open here. Oh, this is open here, the big one. Huh?
I'm not going to be doing them yet, so no point.
I know. What's that? Is that a store?
Yep. Used to be. Sugar in it?
Yeah, but milk needed it. So what store is that?
Cowboys.
Is that like a grocery store? Or like a Josephine? Ah, God. I miss my house. I miss my kids already. Hun, I miss my kids. I know you don't. Window cleaner like Windex? Huh? I don't know what are you asking. Oh, we don't. Here, Windex. And this one. You need more of that. He's going to clean the fireplace glass. That's all you're asking? Pillow pad?
Brillo pad, like the scrubber pot.
Scrubber. Okay. Scrubber pot. I don't know what you say in English.
You can scrub a pot with the metal Brillo pads.
Oh, we don't have that. Oh, the SOS? Han, say it in English, Han.
I am saying English, huh?
Oh my God, that's not. You said it. You should be saying like that. You said SOS.
Well, we always use the pink one is Brillo and the blue one is SOS.
Well, we don't have it here.
Okay.
We don't even buy it. We buy SOS. Let me look the channel of sci-fi. Let me try 48. Huh? It's a history. Hi guys, you know what my husband told me? My height is all the same as Roxy. So whatever you see Roxy is, that's how I tall I am.
Okay, next time I'll film while Roxy's putting her nose on your shoulders.
It's crazy.
Huh? Not crazy. She got some long legs, that dog.
Yeah, but I'm taller. She's not perfect.
You're taller, but she's close to you, hon. You're not that much taller than her.
It's hard to be short, guys. It's always fun. Always fun for your partner. Always something have to say. I don't know why we end up having in this discussion when it comes to who's tall.
The mirror.
Huh?
The mirror.
What mirror?
The mirror. You said, oh, so we should be the right height. We're the same height. But I couldn't see out the mirror.
Oh, it's changed the mirror. The glass driving because I was driving. And I really thought when you change that on, it's not really big difference for him to do the rear mirror, the rear view mirror.
Way different. I couldn't see nothing out the window. I couldn't see the window at all.
That's a Subaru Forester. Forester? Yeah, Forester. The Outback is kind of nice car. And don't go close, too close, son. We're heading to Home Depot and Walmart, guys. But time check, it's already 5:41 in the evening. And evening.
5:41 in the evening.
In the evening. Evening.
In the evening.
Evening. Han, slow down, Han. Come on.
And you can't hit nobody at 5:41. You gotta wait till at least 5:42.
Hi, Han. We're in Lost, guys. I thought we were going to Home Depot, but no. And they have Christmas decoration outside too. Look at it. Nice. Hi, guys. Hi, guys. Hi, guys. Hi, guys. Oh my God, my nose. Oh, I like my nose. Oh, I like my nose. Hi, guys. Insert shout out. So I gonna do this play thing shout out in my laptop. Insert shout out to Jovelita. Hi, Jovelita. Alien right here. Alien right here. Hi, Jovel. Thank you so much for watching my vlog. Yeah, and I hope you have a good night and or good morning. Bye, Jovelita. Bye. Thank you guys so much for watching. All of you from Mars planet. Bye. Nice. Oh my goodness, it's so colorful. Oh, look at that, guys. Joy to the world, the Lord is come. Look at that. Look at the gazebo, Han. Gazebo. Huh? Yeah. We have a lot of Christmas things. I like that light white. How much is that? Oh, that's really crazy money over here. Oh, the lights. Look at that. Huh? It's expensive. Huh?
You're getting something. Yeah, you can.
Oh, I like this. Let's see how much is this. It's $50. We get the carpet also, guys. He's right there. He doesn't even know what he's looking for. They have a lot of... Oh, I like this. In my next Christmas, this is what I want. Rose gold. I like this candle thing. Winter wood. Let me smell this, guys. Can you open this for me?
Oh, you already did it.
No, it smells not good. 7 o'clock something already, guys. And we came out from Walmart already. Grocery stuff. We pick up something like easy to make oven stuff. Not oven. Microwave stuff. And we're going back to Lowe's because the receipt they charge us for like how much? It's 30 or 60. You said 60.
Well, I asked him, where's the extra $60 coming from? But the extra charge is 30, so I guess there's a lot of tax. What? I'm gonna go over there and tell you my wife wants food. Hon, you guys tell me what it is there that you want. You don't even walk over to it. You just point to it and say, "Oh, food."
Because I'm hungry. I'm pointing
and I said,
everything.
What do you want?
The same thing with you. When you're hungry, you
Food's
point.
over there, honey. Food. What the hell can I answer that? Food.
Because a cooked food, it's ready to cook. It's
Yeah,
ready
but
to
what,
eat.
hon?
When that's why you have to go there and look. Do I know what's in there?
No, I gotta go there and look. Then you say, "I didn't like this." I gotta go look.
So
you
we
gotta
end
go
up.
look.
So we end up getting frozen.
We got a cooked chicken,
Frozen.
lemon pepper chicken.
Oh yeah, we have that, so it's good. Oh,
Hey,
what's that?
pal.
What the heck?
Fucking morons are us.
But the story is, see something, hun.
And the story is, somebody must have checked to see the price on it and decided they didn't want it. So they left it there on the side, and one of the cashiers was walking around on her head saying she was a unicorn because it's a stovepipe. But so they knew they knew that pipe rang up.
Yeah.
But somehow or another, after they did the price check, they didn't delete it from the cash register. So when I came up there, it was already
Okay.
it was listed as like my first item,
Yeah.
even if they rang it an hour ago.
Yeah.
So that cash register must have been closed, and the girl must have reopened it, because otherwise I would have seen that happen.
Yeah. So luckily, Tommy is always check the receipt because he always does that. Like, look the receipt back and
It does
forth.
happen.
Right now, the house is kind of messy, guys. We're very hungry and we're picking whatever we saw over there. That's the problem about going grocery and then hungry. You pick everything you see, and everything is yummy in your eyes, in your head. Hi guys, I just washed my face, and yeah, so I'm just gonna finish editing my video, and I don't know what show we're watching right now, and yeah, so I'm in the couch bed thing, and yeah, I'm gonna finish the editing. I kinda dizzy after eating. I don't understand why I was so dizzy, like I feel like the house is moving like this. So anyway guys, my camera is getting low bat, so I will see you tomorrow. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate it. Good night guys. Bye.
Searching for higher ground. Can't see in front of me. My enemies have tried every possibility.